Thank you for joining us this evening. Whether it be your friends or your family, there was a lot of chatter about the Pfizer booster shot. We will get to that in a bit, but first, if you know someone who's dealing with the effects of COVID, you've got a new option for treatment. Local 5's Carson J.S. Reichard has more on how you can get access to it.
Monoclonal antibody treatments. Those are some pretty big words, but it makes sense because it's a pretty big deal in the fight against COVID-19. And now you can get that treatment right here in Central Iowa. The treatment is allocated to states through the federal government due to the limited supply. Sumter Pharmacy in Adel has been approved to begin administering it to patients. Early reception to the injections has been positive.
I've been told by everybody I've treated so far they don't feel it. There's no sting, there's no burn, there's nothing. It's been extremely well tolerated.
So how do the antibodies work? It's simpler than you might expect. Whenever you get sick, your body makes antibodies to fight the disease. Monoclonal antibodies work the same way. They're just made in a lab. Once injected, the antibodies attach to the surface of the virus.
It makes the virus unable to enter a human cell. So it renders it inactive, essentially, and therefore we don't get any sicker.
So who's eligible to get the treatment? To start, all patients must be over 12 years old and over 88 pounds. Then, they must either have been exposed to COVID with a weakened immune system or have a risk factor, tested positive for the virus, and be experiencing symptoms within the last 10 days. The antibodies are designed to reduce those symptoms.
We get people better faster. We prevent people from getting sick in the first place. We are preventing hospital admissions. We're taking that stress off the healthcare system.
One last note. If you believe you're positive for COVID-19, do not go straight to the pharmacy to receive the treatment. Reach out in advance to organize a safe way to get it. In Adel, this is Carson J.S. Reichard for Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
If you're interested in getting the antibody treatment, don't worry. It's not going to burn a hole in your pocket. Just like the vaccine treatment, there are no out-of-pocket costs to the patient receiving it.